do you change your communication styles with the child? How do you work with the child? When the child is at 16 years of age, how do you understand what is going on with your child and how do you communicate with your child? How do you continue being the parent but not an overprotective parent? This is one of the first things that we actually address at the Gurus here, that being emotional is not a problem. What you do with these emotions is a choice. And that is what we start working with children as young as grade KG. That this program is the complete program. There's something called socio-emotional learning, which has been doing the rounds in education for a long time. We've taken the best components from there. We've taken the most important components and we've put it together into a beautiful recipe that has come together. So in that sense, it is unique. In that sense, it is complete.
Gurus here, मुझे लगता है 20 years पहले इंट्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए था थोड़ा तो. Could you start by telling us about yourself, like how you joined this Gurus here?
So I'm a clinical psychologist.
Okay.
I've been in the area of child and adolescent mental health, life skills for about 15, 18 years. And I have worked extensively with late teenagers as well. So, 19, 20, 18 years of age. And while working with them, while as a counselor, as a psychotherapist is working with them, I figured कि उस उम्र तक आपके ideas about self, मतलब self concept, confidence, ideas about relationships, ideas about the world, dreams, ये सब ना concrete हो जाती हैं. तो वहाँ पर change और transformation लाना और मुश्किल हो जाता है. So I figured that if there has to be a transformation that happens, not just in individual students, but in the society, in our Indian society, then it has to happen in schools, starting from children who are in grade nursery to grade 12. So I became a part of the Gurus here, which was thought of and visualized by Ms. Sudha Gupta, chairperson of the group. And when she discussed this idea with me, I was like, यही तो करना है, यही तो चाहिए. This is what I want to be a part of, and this is what I want to talk about and spread. So this was the perfect platform for me to do what I've been dreaming to want to do.
So basically, what I figured it out, like मेरे को लगता है कि एक Guru is here, something about बच्चों को इमोशनल से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच देना प्रेफर किया जाता है उसमें.
तो दोनों. हाँ. सो उस तरीके से अगर हम देखें तो जो द गुरुज हियर प्रोग्राम है, वो जो करिकुलम है, वो इससे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव और कंप्लीट प्रोग्राम मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा. एंड आई हैव वर्कड बोथ नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली understanding the psychology of child and adolescents. And I can say very confidently that this program is the complete program. See, because it has components from the best schools of thought. तो अगर आप NCERT के लाइफ स्किल्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, हमने वहाँ से भी कंपोनेंट्स, जो बेस्ट कंपोनेंट्स है वो उठाए हैं. जो WHO बोलता है कि लाइफ स्किल्स क्या है, हमने वहाँ से उसके सेल्फ बट बेस्ट कंपोनेंट्स वी हैव टेकन फ्रॉम देयर. देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड सोशियो इमोशनल लर्निंग व्हिच हैज बीन डूइंग द राउंड्स इन एजुकेशन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. वी हैव टेकन द बेस्ट कंपोनेंट्स फ्रॉम देयर. वी हैव टेकन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ चाइल्ड एंड एडोलेसेंट मेंटल हेल्थ, ऑफ ontology as a school of thought, and we've put it together into a beautiful recipe that has come together. So in that sense, it is unique. In that sense, it is complete. So not just practical skills. So if you look at the skills that we are covering in the Gurus here, there are skills on problem solving. There are skills on decision making. And these are practical skills that all children and grown-ups need.
मैम, आज की जनरेशन में मेरे को लगता है ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. लाइक अगर किसी को ग्रो करना है लाइफ में, मैम सबको ग्रो करना है, सब एक स्टेज पे आते हैं, बट उसके बाद एक स्टेज पे जाने के लिए वो गुरु चाहिए होता है. तो उस चीज़ में मेरे को लगता है कि आपने जैसे आपने कहा कि आपने बहुत सारे इस इंडस्ट्री में निकाल दिया. यू हैव बीन द पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री फ्रॉम पास्ट सो लॉन्ग ईयर्स. लाइक व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल लाइक यू थिंक दैट teenager should have, or teen or a toddler should have?
I think the most important skill is emotional strength.
Emotional strength.
Yes.
Okay.
Which is in fact the first life skill that we cover in the Gurus here.
Okay.
And why I think emotional strength is the most important skill, और इसमें भी emotional strength के अंदर जो एक सब component है जिसे हम resilience कहते हैं. Resilience is the ability to bounce back. Right? And I think for every child, right from nursery to grade 12, on every day we have challenges.
Exactly.
We have struggles.
Exactly.
Whether you're a child, whether you're a grown-up. right? So the problem is not that you have a challenge or a struggle. The most important thing is, what matters really is that when you face a challenge, how do you face it? What kind of an attitude with which you face it?
What I think is, मैंने मैम टीनेजर्स को भी देखा, एंड आई एम माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो टीनेजर ओनली, तो मैंने एक चीज़ देखी कि मैम बीइंग इमोशनल एंड सॉल्विंग थिंग्स इमोशनली, मैम इन चीज़ों, दो चीज़ों में बहुत फ़र्क होता है. और कुछ चीज़ जो होती है कि लाइक जो बच्चे या जैसे कोई टीनेजर होता है, दे गेट समथिंग, दे अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम दे गेट इमोशनल और समथिंग, और कुछ चीज़ें जो बच्चे होते हैं वो प्रैक्टिकली पोल बेटर कर लेते हैं. तो ये चीज़ को कैसे ठीक किया जाए, मतलब लाइक हाउ दे शुड सी दिस एंड हाउ दे शुड बी गोइंग टुवर्ड्स देयर लाइफ, एंड इमोशनल होना चाहिए या इमोशनली चीज़ों को हैंडल करना चाहिए?
परफेक्ट, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली.
एग्जैक्टली.
सो इमोशनल होना चाहिए. इमोशंस हम सब में होते हैं, राइट राइट. हम सबको गुस्सा भी आता है, हम सबको खुशी भी मिलती है, हम सब सैड भी होते हैं. सो फीलिंग सैड और फीलिंग एंग्री इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट थिंग्स दैट वी एक्चुअली एड्रेस एट द गुरुज हियर, दैट बीइंग इमोशनल इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. What you do with these emotions is a choice. And that is what we start working with children as young as grade KG. That when you are angry, first recognize what is the emotion that you're experiencing. जिसको हम emotional awareness कहते हैं. First recognize what is the emotion you're experiencing. Then recognize how is that emotion being absorbed in your body. How is your body experiencing that emotion? And then recognize that it's okay if I'm feeling angry. It's okay if I'm feeling sad. I can actually make an active choice on what do I want to do with this emotion. So I decide what will be done with the emotion rather than the emotion decides what I'll do. Right?
Exactly.
So that's one of the first things that we are helping children, teachers and parents understand this.
मैम मेरे को जो चीज़ लगी ना, like what I figured it out, मैम एक बार total good experience. What I'm saying is, मैम thing is, एक मैम जब छोटा बच्चा होता है, एक टॉडलर होता है, तो ही और शी हैज समथिंग लाइक एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ समथिंग लाइक ही, उनके लिए इमोशनल मैम उनके लिए पेरेंट्स प्रॉब्ली ज़्यादा होंगे और कुछ चैलेंज नहीं होते थे उनकी लाइफ में. कुछ होता है कि कोई स्कूल में हो गया या मैम वो एक्सपायर्ड में होते हैं. जब एक बच्चा टीनेजर हो जाता है, दे हैव numerous kind of relationships or numerous kind of tensions and or competition and there are lot of stuff.
Absolutely.
And उस चीज़ को टैकल करने के लिए what I think is, एक स्कूल ही एक होता है जहाँ पे बच्चा सीख सकता है. एंड अच्छा स्कूल होना, अच्छे गुरु होना, अच्छे टीचर्स होना बहुत लाइफ में बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड अगर उस चीज़ को मैं देखूँ उस चीज़ से, तो हाउ इज गुरु इज हेल्पिंग इन दैट सिचुएशन, लाइक बच्चों को टीनेजर से एक एडल्ट बनाने में उनका क्या है गुरु इज देयर, क्या हाउ इज हेल्पिंग?
सो another USP of the gurus here is that हमारे जो life coaches हैं, who are working with children in the life skill classes. So usually what happens is, अगर आप life skills curriculum देखें, nationally, internationally, कहीं पे भी, you go to Finland, which is supposed to have the best education system, you go to any other country, United States or whatever, you will see that a life skill curriculum is given only to children. Right? So where is that coming from? The idea is that बच्चों को सिखा दो कि resilience क्या होता है, problem solving कैसे करनी है, decision making कैसे करनी है. That is not what the gurus here is doing. What the gurus here is doing is, we are ensuring that we don't only equip and empower the child, but we equip and empower all other stakeholders around the child. तो जिस माहौल में बच्चा, जिस environment में
सबको gurus here चाहिए.
जिस environment में बच्चा बढ़ रहा है, उसमें उसके parents, उसमें उसके सारे टीचर्स, सारे सब्जेक्ट के टीचर्स, एज वेल एज एडमिन स्टाफ इन द स्कूल, वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क विथ ऑल ऑफ देम on building their life skills. So for example, let's say if I am working with children in a certain month on positivity, how to stay positive, right? Which we know is like the do-all of handling any challenge, any struggle. Then we are not only working on positivity in children, we are working on positivity on all teachers also. So if teachers are positive, then only they can give positivity to students. If parents are positive, so we will do training sessions with parents, we will do workshops with parents, we'll do interactions with parents. If parents have a positive attitude, तो बच्चा अपने आप positive हो जाएगा.
मैम इस सिचुएशन में एक चीज़ बोलूँगा, parents 20 years back and parents now, there is like tremendous different.
Absolutely.
और मैम उस चीज़ में मेरे को लगता है कि मैम आजकल प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच ज़्यादा है rather than being an emotional, और इमोशनल साइड बच्चों के टूवर्ड्स अब थोड़ी नहीं है. वो है मैम, ऐसा नहीं है, बट द थिंग इज, एक पहले जो इमोशनल साइड ज़्यादा होती थी कि मैम कोई भी अगर कुछ भी होता है, एंड अगर आज भी मैम कोई स्कूल में कोई बच्चा होता है, लाइक इफ अ टीचर स्कूल समबडी, कोई बच्चे को डांट देती है, देन पेरेंट्स स्कूल आ जाते हैं. एंड वही चीज़ मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि आज के पेरेंट्स को कैसे टैकल किया जाए जो पहले जनरेशन के पेरेंट्स हैं.
तो I won't say कि parents को tackle करने की ज़रूरत
Okay.
है, because they are not opponents to us.
Exactly.
They are my partners.
Exactly. Very
right?
rightly said.
If I want to see the student in my class transforming into a happy, powerful, and a successful individual, I cannot do it without parents. Parents are my partners, so उनको मुझे tackle नहीं करना है, ठीक है? Parents के साथ ये ज़रूर हुआ है with the timings, with the change in time, that parents have become more protective.
Exactly.
Right? I'm also a parent. I'm also very protective about my child. But we have become more protective. Overprotective भी हो गए हम. And these are these small things that we will also. So Gurus here, like I said, is not just working with teachers and kids. We will also be having regular workshops and trainings with parents on how to handle these small things. So for example, when your child is moving from preteen to teenager,
Yeah, exactly.
so how do you change your communication styles with the child? How do you work with the child? When the child is at 16 years of age, how do you understand what is going on with your child, and how do you communicate with your child? How do you continue being the parent but not an overprotective parent? So we are covering everything under the sun that can benefit a parent, a child, and a teacher to ensure that we are giving that environment in which every child can develop to the best of his or her potential.
That's मतलब Guru is here. मुझे लगता है 20 years पहले introduce होना चाहिए था थोड़ा तो. I guess there are thousands of courses, skill courses specifically, floating in the market like in education industry. But ma'am, how you and उसी के साथ में misconception भी बहुत सारे हैं कि like उस हर कोर्स से रिलेटेड के कोर्स ऐसा हो, कोई कोर्स वैसा होगा. But मैम, how Guru is here different from them, and उसी तरह मैम बाकी कोर्स क्या प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाए जो Guru is here प्रोवाइड कर रहा है?
Okay. So in my mind, I would say there are about 3 things that are different and better in the Gurus here as compared to the other curriculums that are roaming around and that are floating in the schools and education departments and sectors. One is that it is not following only one school of thought. Okay. So it's not only from, okay, we are doing life skills as WHO has said. Okay. We've taken those life skills, we've researched it. So it is a well-researched, evidence-backed curriculum that we've come up with, where we have taken the best practices of all the important perspectives when it comes to child and adolescent development and child and adolescent mental health. So we've taken components from socio-emotional learning, we've taken components from WHO's life skills, we've taken components from psychology, we've taken components from ontology, and we've kept them together in a harmonious marriage where we are making sure that everything that a child needs in order to be his or her true potential is available to him or her. So that's one. The second that I think makes the Gurus here stand apart from other curriculum is that this is not only for students. See, I think it's a major error of any life skill curriculum to think that if you give life skills only to students, then काम हो गया, ठीक है? Because a child doesn't develop in isolation. A child develops and learns from the adults around and the surrounding around. So if in a school I am talking about emotional strength, positivity, problem solving, decision making only to students, but the teachers are not equipped with these skills, then it's not going to be complete. The child is not going to reach his or her true potential. He's not going to be who he wants to be. Okay? If the parents don't have these skills, the child is not going to be who he or she wants to be, right? So another thing that sets apart the Gurus here from all other curriculum is that it is a program which integrates into the very fabric of the school, right? So the idea of life skills is what everybody is breathing in each of the schools. तो अगर हम एक particular month में positivity के life skill पे engage कर रहे हैं, तो सिर्फ बच्चे नहीं engage कर रहे हैं, उसी महीने teachers भी positivity के बारे में ही समझ रहे हैं हमारे life skill coaches से. उसी महीने में parents को भी हम communication भेज रहे हैं कि this is how we are addressing this with your children. We send out specific notes and circulars and communication to parents every month, saying we are covering positivity with your child this month. This is how we are doing it, and we give specific tips as to how would we want you to be doing this in home. And we give them specific readings, so we give them specific books that they can give to their child, that they can read themselves. We send specific video resources that instead of reading and seeing everything on YouTube, go to this, pick this up, watch it with your child. Pick this up and watch it as a parent.
बट मैम इसको इन दिस मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो एक बच्चा, आपने बहुत लोग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देखे होंगे, आपने बच्चों को भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होते हुए देखा होगा और पेरेंट्स को भी बच्चों को ट्रांसफॉर्म होते हुए देखा होगा. तो एंड व्हाट यू नोटिस, व्हाट वाज कॉमन इन देम, लाइक बोथ ऑफ देम?
Common. The one thing that has, and we've just started 2.5 months since the curriculum has started. Something that is coming, I think one quality or one feedback that is coming from parents, from students,
Exactly.
is an expression of gratitude.
They all are thankful for that.
They are all becoming more and more thankful for the lives that they're leading, for the small things that are good things that are happening in their life. You know, otherwise there are so many challenges, so many struggles on a day-to-day basis.
Exactly.
We often forget what are the good things that are happening to us. Gratitude is another important life skill that we are building. in our
Identifying
children.
good things in life is very important thing. What I think is
Absolutely. And gratitude, agar aap dekhein to, you know, it's been doing the rounds in all conversations around mental health. All conversations around mental health. So that is also something that we have covered and we are discussing with our children, teachers and parents. So when everybody around you is practicing gratitude, there is no way that you
only
will not
positivity is around. So ma'am,
Absolutely.
everybody will grow in a good way only. What I think is.
Absolutely.
It is too good. Guru is here helping a lot of parents, teachers and students to be what they want to be exactly.
Absolutely. And make that transformation happen.
So can you share a moment of experience that illustrates the power of curriculum?
Yes. So specifically, lots of specific incidents that have already happened in classrooms, but I'll share the specific one. There is a grade 2 student who doesn't talk. So when we entered the class, we were already told that you know ये बच्चा बोलता नहीं है, ठीक है, उसको बोलना आता है पर ये बोलता नहीं है, is not verbally expressive at all, not a word. So even in the first class of life skills of the gurus here, where we were talking about emotional strength, understanding our own emotions. This is just a grade 2 child, okay? He was completely quiet, not a word, nothing. Matlab, no eye contact, not a word, nothing. And he was showing his disapproval about being in a classroom by, you know, tearing his worksheet. कुछ हमने worksheet दी थी, तो उसमें छेद वेद कर दिए थे. This was the first class. But clearly the child heard something that day. In the second period itself, the child started making eye contact with the life coach. By the time 1 month got over, the child came up to the life coach and says, "Mera ye pani ka bottle khol do." The first sentence he's uttered in his classroom since grade KG. Now, you might think इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, but think about it as a child. A child who has not expressed any need of his, emotional or practical, in classrooms through words ever, comes to the life coach and says, "Help me with this water bottle." That means the child is feeling safe. That means the child is feeling accepted.
जो एक गुरु को ट्रस्ट कर रहा है basically.
Absolutely. That you will help me. Right? And he's chosen to use words and come and say that. Right? Okay? That means कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वहीं पे शुरू हो गई थी उस बच्चे की.
Exactly.
Right? And that means that the child has heard and has received something in that 1 month, just 1 month, 6 classes, 8 classes, where he has felt that this is the space. The gurus here is the space where I can ask for help, where I am safe and I can ask for help through words. And just after a couple of other classes where we were talking about what is your superpower. So we were talking about kindness, we were talking about compassion to others. This child stands up and says, "I have the super brain."
Oh my God, that's too good.
In less than 2 months. So that's a very clear and specific example for me as a life skills coach as to what is a magic that the gurus here is capable of.
That's very, very good. I would must say this thing.